Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a sample SFTP to SFTP integration scenario using SAP Cloud Integration, also known as a SAP CPI. In this integration scenario, we will pick up a file from a source SFTP server, process it through our integration flow, and then send the same file to the target SFTP server. This is a very common requirement in the real world integration where file needs to be picked from one location, transferred it securely between the different system. So let's get started. We are going to use this package. And if we expand it, you can able to see what's the name of this package. We are going to utilize this package. Under this package, I'm going to create. Let's go for edit. Let's add this integration flow. Name should be similar. B K B I 1 2 3 4. Let's give it some description. Here it is. Let's open it. Now we have sender, one receiver, and here it is a palette in between. Make it editable. Now just drag it here, and we are going to select the SFTP. Let's search it out. In the same way this side as well. Now we need to fill the SFTP server detail. So we need these details. We need a directory, file, blah blah, these things. So for that, let's go to the Google. For our testing purpose, we can use this. You just simply go and start the free trial over here, and you just create. Now I already created, so I do have these details along with me. So I already set up my user. I'm going for the connection detail. Here, this is the host name. Let's copy it out and put it here in the address bar. Okay. And and I'm going to come over here. When I see in the file manager, already created one sender, one receiver directory. So for this purpose, I am also using this Win SAP. Okay, so I do have this sender and receiver, which can be shown here. So same way, I am going to put the detail. Sender. Let's make it whatever the file is coming. Now I need to give the username. So for this purpose, I already created. We need to create this user. So I already created this user. I'm directly going to use it. Otherwise, this way you can also create the user the security. You see, already I am using this user and the password. This is the username. This is the username, and here is the password. Here is the password. We need to use it. So I'm going to use this credential and put it here. Okay. And I do have a same configuration at the side of a receiver as well. So I'm going to put the same user here. Need to change this user this way. Now, this is the host name. Directory receiver file name. Let's make it test underscore R. Is there? Let's add this timestamp as well over here. So that's it. This is our configuration, which is already done. Let's save it and save as version. Save it. And let's get deployed. It's not yet deployed. So we are going to deploy it. Now, one more important thing in case of the SFTP user, we need this host has to be downloaded and get it saved here. For that, we'll go here, go for the connection test. Under the connection test, Come to the SSH and give the host here. This is the host name of the SFTP server. So put it here. This should be internet. This should be none. Now send it. So copy the host key, paste it here. Now save this. Anywhere, wherever you want. Make it here. Now you can able to see the user credentials what we have already created. You can see this is reachable. If it is reachable, means our configuration is all perfect. You simply go here and make a test. Make a test run. Come to the monitoring. Mm, Now let us do one round of testing the scenario which we have already created. For that purpose, I'm just going here into our WinSAP client I do have along with me. Let me put this file into the sender folder. Okay, file is already placed there onto the sender folder. अभी देखते हैं. Yes. duplicate this. Let's go to the monitoring. Mm, Go to monitoring and just they are into the monitoring. It's taking a little bit time. What happened to it? What's fine? And let's go to audit, which you may have. So let me open this for you. And now which we did earlier, it's not running. It's completed already and it's and mass processing. Yes, we can. Now let's go and see. Let me refresh it. Okay, the file is already gone on here. It's not available. And here you can see this is a file. Okay, no, sorry. Uh, this Okay, here is the file. No, it has not sorted. Okay, now it's sorted. Now you can see here this is the file from the center. Here is the file into the receiver folder. So this way we are going to complete our SFTP configuration. So thank you guys for your patience and we'll see you with a new chapter. Thank you. Thanks a lot.